Let's unlock the door. Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight.
Yay, Grandma! Come on, faster! Look who's here!
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.
Do we have everything? Really? Where's your sister?
Getting out of the house isn't always easy, but the Schlage Encode Plus smart Wi-Fi deadbolt
We all set?
makes it easier.
Slippers? Really?
Well, she can't wear those.
You can lock and unlock the door with your smartphone from anywhere, including your driveway.
My headphones!
You can assign codes to family and trusted visitors and receive optional notifications when they're used. And with Apple Home Keys, simply tap to unlock using your iPhone or Apple Watch.
Now do we have everything?
The Schlage Encode Plus smart Wi-Fi deadbolt makes getting in and out of your home a little easier.
Did you lock the door? I got it.
Trust your home to Schlage.
It happens every morning, and when you're late, and on your way out the door. But what if you never needed a key again? And what if your lock could connect to your phone, so you knew who came and went? What if the company that's reinventing the home worked with the company that invented the lock as we know it? Introducing the Yale Linus Lock.
This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by Pin Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in deadbolt, latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door. Lockly, security redefined.
With the Halo Touch Fingerprint Smart Lock, you can let yourself in with a simple touch. Let your dog walker in with a simple tap. Or let family in with the sound of your voice.
Mom's here!
Alexa, unlock the front door.
Halo Touch Fingerprint Smart Locks, only from Kwikset.